Google says this new ad format is going to help you drive better results across all of your ad channels. That's a bold claim, and I've even talked to some of our Google reps about it. They are more excited about this than I've seen them excited about anything in the recent couple years. And that's actually saying a lot because they're often pretty excited about a lot of their products. So this is a big deal. We already have some clients using it right now, seeing fantastic results. And in this video, I'm going to go over one really cool new product that Google's coming out with that you definitely want to jump on quickly. After strong results in beta, Google is going to be rolling out something called Performance Max campaigns to the world. Here's what you need to know. First, they're going to become part of the next generation of smart shopping and local campaigns. Performance Max campaigns allow you to promote your business across all Google Ads inventory. And as a result, you can show up for more customers and drive more conversions based off of your goals. In fact, advertisers that use Performance Max campaigns in their account see an average increase of 13% total incremental conversions at a similar cost per action. So whether you're focused on online sales, generating leads, or growing offline sales, Performance Max helps you achieve your goals in four main ways. Here are the four ways from Google. Number one is increasing conversions in value. So automation optimizes your budgets and bids across channels to help you capture new conversion opportunities in real time. Number two is finding new customers. So you get to unlock new audience segments by using Google's real-time understanding of user intent, behavior, and context to show up in the right moments with more relevant ads. They give an example here, and here's what it is. Deezer, a global music streaming service, is constantly experimenting with new features and fluidly allocating budgets to different marketing strategies in order to generate subscription growth. Number three, you gain richer insights. Performance Max campaigns are now part of the Insights page, and they help you understand how automation is actually working and how you can improve your campaign. So using the combinations report, you can also see how your top performing assets are being combined to build creatives. Number four, working together with automations. So you get to steer the automations a bit by providing high quality creative assets and sharing your expertise about which audiences are more likely to convert. The other thing is that you get access to new inventory. So Performance Max campaigns allow retailers and local marketers to access new ad inventory in formats that are not currently available with smart shopping and local campaigns. This includes channels like YouTube, Search, and Discover, and that helps you increase your sales. Eric, who's the VP of marketing at Joybird, really likes it. Here's what he said. Not only did Performance Max campaigns outperform smart shopping campaigns, but it also took our efficiency to the next level and allowed us to grow our revenue in a more profitable way. I saw something similar with some of our clients. If you're interested in starting Performance Max campaigns for your business, reach out to Ignite Visibility. We'll be happy to help you out. If you have any questions, leave it below. I'll see you next time. Bye.